Nuthia was named as the new Kenya Golf Union chairman. This is at the annual general meeting that was held yesterday at Muthaiga Golf Club.
As golf clubs, we need to take a common stance on matters especially to do with the government. Matters KRA, matters land, matters to do with betting. We need to go with a common stand. If we are divided, it cannot be that today one club is assessed for VAT for a particular line of revenue, because we also understand that every other golf club has the same revenue stream. So it's only a matter of time before they reach out to the other clubs.
But there's a notable increase in the number of golfers, and especially those from the young demographic, as well as young ladies joining the game. And virtual entities that have come on in the sport is also a positive indicator of how popular the game has become.
We will deepen our partnerships with the Junior Golf Foundation, Kenya Ladies Golf Union, and PGK, forging a cohesive and a joint development framework that nurtures talent from grassroots to elite levels across all genders, or both genders and ages. Equally important is finalizing our relationship with the Kenya Golf Federation.
Yes, Kenya Golf Union elections that were held yesterday in the annual general meeting that was held at Muthaiga Golf Club. Now let's switch gears. We get into the English Premier League.